Welcome back to session 3 of the BrickHouse Video Safety System training. Towards the end of the last session, we were talking about the benefit of having the ability of taking snapshots of any camera and what an advantage that is. And the reason why is because a picture tells 1,000 words, but it's much more efficient and faster than watching live video. And not only that, but you end up with a record of the event as well. So, for example, if you're wondering why a particular vehicle or driver has been at a job site so long, because they should have been done by now, rather than watching live video to see what's going on, and watching 10 or 15 or 20 seconds of video, you can simply take a snapshot of any camera and you end up with a record of that, which shows up in the snapshot report as well. So it's very simple, very efficient, and very practical. You can also use the snapshot report as proof of a certain situation, for example, where your driver was at a certain time, or the fact that he did do a delivery, or that he is at a delivery address at a certain time, and so on and so forth. So anyway, to take a snapshot, the vehicle must be online, which is indicated by the green dot beside, up on the monitoring panel, as you can see where my mouse is pointed to. And if the green dot is on, that means ignition is on in the vehicle. The GPRS symbol would also be lit up like you see now. So you would simply press the query photo button, which is the green or the black triangle, and then choose the camera you want to take a picture of. Camera 1 is the interior facing camera. Camera 2 is the forward facing camera. Camera 3 would be an additional camera, such as a rear camera or a mini dome camera in the back of a van or what have you. So I'm going to press OK on camera 2. And once the camera is ready, this mountain range will light up here, this icon, or down in the bottom here, the picture icon will also light up with a number in red. And in this case, it shows there's 3 pictures available. It's because I already took a couple. So you can see in the top left, it says 3 out of 3. So there's actually 3 pictures available to look at because I took 2 earlier. And there's the one that I just took. And now if I press the left button here, I can look at the last picture and the picture before that I took. And I can press the download button on any one of those and it'll instantaneously save it to my computer. And then I can open it up as a JPEG file, and do whatever I want with that. And then close with the red X on the top right, close that. You'll notice, by the way, that the speed of the vehicle is indicated, the lat and the long and the address are all on the picture icon on the bottom of the picture. So now that I've taken a picture, that was vehicle number 11, I can go to the reports icon, choose the snapshot report, choose the vehicle, van 11, choose the day or the week or the month. I could pull up a whole month's worth of snapshots if I wanted to. I'll just pull up today, and those 3 pictures that I just took will now be in that report. So there they are. I can export that entire report as a PDF file on the top right, or on the right side here. Just choose export and then choose PDF. And that will instantaneously save to my downloads folder. And it's very nice because it shows the date and the time of each picture. And you can see, the information and the address of each picture. And now I could obviously send that as a PDF by email to the police or to a customer or whatever I want to do with it. So it's a very useful function. And as I said, it's very efficient, much more efficient than watching live video. So be sure and take full advantage of that. And I'm going to end this training video because this pretty much covers off the monitoring panel with a combination of this video and the one before. The next video is going to be on live video streaming. So stay tuned for that or have a look. It's probably available as we speak. So thank you very much for your time.